already. Alright, Saturday morning. Another beautiful winter day. Ride day. What do you think? Strong, solid, tight. We're going to the picnic spot. Go home. Oh, doesn't take much to amuse. Oh God. Still scrolling briefly too. Holy. Needs some maintenance. The gardener needs to come out and take care of the overgrown bush. No one likes an overgrown bush, right? Well, that's a bit of a roadblock.
He's unloading that pretty fast though.
He is though, yeah. So he's unloading that load of logs, obviously. I'm not sure. He didn't come from this way. He must have come from the other direction. I'm not sure if he's going to keep coming this way. Probably not. I'm not sure if he's moving back for us or if he's moving back for the views. That'd be a very nice one. Very nice one. Appreciate that. Yeah, for sure. Crazy. His road truck there. Yeah, those machines, crazy. get mud here. It's a picnic spot, I call it. Fine. It's all over here, perfect.
By the picnic area.
You're going back there. Oh, there's nothing.
Jesus, what are you doing?
Don't be shy. Here we are, picnic spot. It's a beautiful spot. Oh, let me step out here, turn off this camera. Step out here, give you an idea of how much mud these machines flick up. This is minimal mud, really, a little bit of dirt road mud. We're still in winters, sunshine, maybe -1, -2, could be 0 degrees. Anyway, a little bit of thaw up. This is 23 CanAm Maverick Sport XRC with the VIP air fender flares on it. This is how much mud you get.
Yeah, this is a nice spot. It's a nice spot.
Nice spot down that little trail.
So this is where the stock fenders, which look pretty but are fucking useless. This is the VIP air, and like I said, we've still got this much mud. There you go. That's why CanAm should be ashamed to put those poverty little fenders on that machine and not make them wider with the 60 and the 64-inch platforms. Those little stock fenders, perfect. I don't know about perfect, but plenty fine for the trail with the 50-inch wide where the wheels are tucked up underneath, but with the 60-inch and then the 64-inch, stupid. There we go again.
Who are you talking to over there?
That's my fans. A little picnic in the park, as it were. Here we go. Gearing up, heading out. What a gorgeous day. I could be here all day, but some people wants to go home. there we are, another ride, boys. Beautiful day. What a gorgeous winter day. Totally surprised at how much the roads and the stuff have thawed out with the rain that we had recently, and with the temperatures today. Man, she's going to be a big mess in here in a few weeks. I mean, we're in the first couple of days of March so far. Another 4 weeks and we're in the spring. So anyway, gorgeous day, beautiful ride, loved it. Sore back or not, had to get out of the house. Hope you enjoyed it.